Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here correct and fastly unlock our device, but just to unlock our smartphone we should hold for a while the scanner, not just simply touch it, because if we'll simply touch it we will have no chance to unlock your smartphone. That's why just hold a little bit, and as we can see we'll just unlock our OPPO device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.